I'm Tim Kelchner with your Catholic Health Update for the week of April 29th. It's Patient Experience Week at Catholic Health, an annual opportunity to celebrate healthcare staff who impact the patient experience each and every day. Whether it's demonstrating the eye care values or being recognized by organizations like Press Ganey for a commitment to quality patient care, the dedicated teams at Catholic Health aim to deliver compassionate care each and every day. And for that, we say thank you. Good Samaritan University Hospital recently hosted a surgical symposium which allowed local medical school and high school students to get hands-on healthcare experience. Dozens of students from NYI-TCOM, St. Anthony's, and St. John the Baptist took part in the minimally invasive gynecologic workshop. They learned surgical techniques and even got to test out some of the robotic surgical equipment used by the Good Samaritan team.
To get your hands on something and, understand what really gets done, seeing this equipment, it's pretty phenomenal.
And finally today, puppies. These adorable, therapeutic, furry friends made a stop at Good Samaritan University Hospital thanks to Little Shelter Animal Rescue and Adoption Center in Huntington. The puppies romped and frolicked in the recharge rooms at Good Samaritan and gave employees an opportunity to snuggle and unwind during Paw-Office hours. Very cute. We have more great stories and health tips up on our website. You can find that information anytime at CatholicHealthLI.org. With your Catholic Health Update, I'm Tim Kelchner.